middle of nowhere, guys.
Yeah.
Day 3.
Let's go. Chalo.
And today we came to Ingleton Waterfall Trails. And we're gonna go inside of a waterfall. Let's go! And if I fall down, my whole face and body will be all mud. And
Yes.
I'll be the mud monster. Hi guys, now we're gonna go across the bridge to go to the waterfall trail. Let's go. Take a fall.
Hacker Falls. Yeah. What's that?
We found another waterfall. This is the second waterfall.
Again.
Hi guys, now we can five waterfalls. There's so many. And we're gonna go all up. And that's a butterfly. And it looks like exploding cookie.
It looks like what?
Exploding cookie solar, like you take cookie solar and just let it explode.
Yeah.
The color is like that. Hi guys, now this looks like not exploding Coca-Cola because it's a bit slower. It looks like falling Coca-Cola. Like it's raining Coca-Cola. We're at the biggest waterfall now. Look at the bridge.
Where?
Hi guys. Now we're on top of the mountain and eating ice cream.
Eshal, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. Go.
Sheep. The sheep are calling me.
What is that, Rayyan?
I don't know. I think it's poo.
How does it smell? It smells nice?
No.
No? Let's go. Sure.
No, you're gonna give me my nose.
Rayyan, can you read what it says on that building over there? Go. Look, come on this side. Come on this side. Come on this side and check.
Cross the road.
Cave.
Yes. That is the deepest cave over here. It's called White Scar Caves.
White car.
Yes.
So whoever has a white car is only for
Not car, scar. Yes.
Oh my god, we're both on top of the mountain. And look at the view. Oh. Hi guys.
Smile. Okay, go.
Hi guys. Now we're trying to find our car and we're doing a circle. And I found another waterfall.
Is it cool, Eshal? Rayyan, look down.
We're in the middle of nowhere, guys.
Go.
Oh wow, that's a railroad track.
Railway track. Eshal, go.
See. And we've completed our 5 miles trail.
How tired are you?
0% battery.
0% battery. What about you, Eshal? Are you tired?
I'm very tired.
Can you feel your legs? No?
I'm 100 tired.
100 tired. Let's go find our car then. Eshal, say hello.
Hello. Hi guys, now we're so tired and we made it. And now we're gonna have some food.
And there's a river flowing right behind us. Can you see it?
I'm a baby.
Huh?
We are
What?
playing baby games.
Who is the daddy?
You're the daddy, Mama's he's the kid.
What? Ali Mama is the kid?
Yeah. And this is our pizza.
Pizza?
पिज्जा ये आपकी प्लेट बनाना है